Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to use this super easy goal tracker. It's a one-page tracker where you can set up to 6 different goal categories, each with its own color. First, you can customize each goal with a unique name, like health or career. After setting your goals, you choose the goal start and target date. The tracker will automatically calculate how many days you have left. If today's the target date, it'll say, "Today is the target day." And if it's past due, it'll let you know how many days you missed. For each goal, you can list up to 20 action steps. As you complete these steps, just tick the checkboxes next to them. The tracker then generates a pie chart that shows your progress with a completion percentage right in the center. At the bottom, there's also a section to track how many goals you've achieved versus your target goals. Plus, there's a reward section where you can write down a reward you'll give yourself once you complete a goal. It's a great way to stay motivated. It's simple, customizable, and perfect for keeping your goals on track. Check it out and start hitting those targets.